G'day and welcome to OCS 101 demonstration for the object cloner system brought to you by ge-NeticS. What I'll be going over in this video is demonstrating the clone and mirror features of the OCS and how quick and easy they are to use. I'll be doing this on my ge-NeticS main store building, which is about 7 different objects consisting of about 130 prims in total. Okay, I've already set up the terminal so I can demonstrate this, so I'm just going to touch the terminal here for the menu, and the first one I'm going to demonstrate is clone. I got the options to either duplicate or replace the objects I want to clone. Okay, now what duplicate does is it recreates the objects at a height offset above the originals, leaving the originals intact, and you get to choose the height offset. Alright, or replace, which actually deletes the originals as it's cloning them. So if you don't have enough prims on your parcel or land or what have you, then you would choose replace so that it doesn't double up on prims. Alright, so I'm going to show you duplicate to start with. Alright, now when you choosing these features, you will get hover text over the terminal that it sort of tells you what you can do step by step, and it's telling us that I have to place the target script into the content of the objects I want to clone and start when ready. Now if I don't have the target script, what you can do is you can just first select script from the menu, and this will give you the target script. Okay, and it goes into my inventory there. Alright, so now I can continue by editing each of the objects I want to place, and I'm going to just drag the target script into the contents of each one. Very easy, just one script each. Like so. And there you go, that should be all 7 of them. And to continue, I'll just touch the terminal there, and I click start. Now because I selected duplicate, it'll give me another menu asking for the height offset. Alright, and I'm just going to select 50 meters here. Once you select the height offset, it will start to duplicate your objects. And as you'll see, there you go, there's the first piece. And I'm showing you this in real time so you can see all the objects being duplicated here. Very fast and efficient. And there you go, an exact copy of my whole store. Alright, because I select a duplicate, once it's completed there, it gives me the option to either finalize, which saves everything, like it goes, okay, I like these clones, and it will remove the target script from the original objects. Or I can reclone, which allows you to select another height offset, so it'll remove the clones and give you the menu to do another height offset and start again. Or delete, which will delete the clones and remove the target scripts from the original objects. Okay, so I can show you the replace now quickly without putting the target scripts back in. I'm just going to go reclone here, and this will remove the clones here, and I'm just going to cancel out here. I'm going to go back into clone, and I'm going to select replace. Alright, now since the target scripts are still in the objects there, and I can just show you that because I cancelled out of the duplicate, I've still got the target scripts in there. Alright, and I can just start because of that. And you'll see what happens now is that as they are cloned, it's deleting the original object there and replacing it with the clone. Piece by piece, nice and fast. Alright, now that they've all been replaced, gives me a menu saying, yep, congratulations, I was successfully replaced, and just click OK to continue there. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the mirror feature. So I'm just going to go into mirror here. Just like with the clone, you've got option to duplicate and replace, except for when you're replacing in this one, instead of doing it exactly in the spot where they are, it'll do it to the opposite side of the mirror, and you'll see that soon. But I'm actually just going to duplicate this so I can demonstrate that it actually is a mirror and show you the comparison. Alright, so again I've got to put the target script into each of them. I'm just going to ignore out of this menu for now, and because I've already got the target script, and I need to go into each of these again and just drag the target script into each of the objects I want to mirror. There you go. Now, this time it does tell you down on the terminal again, as I've mentioned. This time I have to, not only have I put the target scripts in, but I have to position the mirror to where I want it to mirror from. Okay, now you can do this manually just by editing or that and positioning the mirror, rotating it to where you want it to mirror from, etc. Or you have the option, if you're going to be mirroring regularly, what you can do is you can touch the terminal and you can get a marker by clicking marker on the menu here. Now these markers, that'll go into my inventory there. Markers can be kept out all the time, and what you can do with these is leave them resed out in a position you want. And I'm just going to edit this and position it above the building here. Just get it and make sure I get it high enough so that it doesn't mirror onto the building as well. And to move the mirror to it, once the mirror is resed, you can just click on one of these axis points here, as you can see, and the mirror will move to them. Okay, so I'm going to be mirroring above. So basically I put the building upside down. Alright. And just touch my terminal again here, and I can just say start. And it will begin to mirror each of the objects. There's the first piece. And it does it perfectly symmetrically. Now the mirror can be placed anywhere you want, side by side. So if you were doing like something on your avatar where you created half of the outfit or whatever, you wanted to duplicate to the other side, mirrored copy, and there you go. So there you go, I've got the full building there has now been mirrored to the other exact copy, only in reverse. Right, and because I chose duplicate, I've got the option to either finalize, reclone. In the case of reclone for this one, it allows me to reposition the mirror if I wanted to. Okay, or delete to delete the clones and remove the target scripts, but I'm going to finalize that. Okay, and I'm just going to close that out, and you'll see the mirror gets removed, but the marker stays. Alright, and I'm just going to select this building to show you and turn it around. To show you that it is in fact a mirrored copy. And there you go. Perfectly mirrored copy of my whole building. And those are the clone and mirror features. Hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration. As you can see, it's nice, fast, easy, simple, no lag, and you can do multiple objects at the same time. You don't have to re-put the buildings together, and there you go, saves a lot of time and hassle. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and be sure to watch more videos and you can see the other couple of the other features and how easy it is to set up the terminal itself.